Hello, today we're going to be talking about kitchen utensils and appliances from where we left off yesterday. So you understand how equipment is grouped together. We're doing this simple activity. You will need one sheet of paper, which is plain on both sides. You can get that at the counter. And you also will need this packet. The names and the pictures are pretty similar to what we used yesterday. So to do this activity, what you need to do is take a piece of paper, you fold it in half, crease it real well, like that. That's the fold. And then crease it again, like so. So that when you open it up, you will have 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 categories. You turn it over, 1, 2. If it's easy for you to write out the sections, you can do that. Take a pencil or pen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you need titles with this. So our first title will be Tools That Cut. Second category, Tools That Measure. Third category, bakeware. This is anything that goes into the oven. 4, cookware. This is anything that goes on top of the stove directly. On the back, tools that measure. And miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means anything that doesn't fit into the other categories. Should be a C. E. So what you're going to basically do is take this sheet and cut these pictures out. Each one will be individually cut out. You don't have to worry about the pictures on the opposite side because they are behind this and you can cut through this. So as you see, there's my utensils, and on this side over here is my pictures there, so that's fine. After you cut out each tool, you will take a glue stick and, for instance, cake pan. After you cut the cake pan out, you find the category that it goes into. Is it something that cuts? Is it something that measures? Is it goes on top of the stove? Does it go in the oven, bakeware? Or is it miscellaneous? Or is it tools that measure? Well, of course, the cake pan right here would go into bakeware since it goes in the oven. And then just glue it down. All you have to do is write the name of the tool underneath it. After you glue it down, just write small. This project is worth 40 points. For every tool that is not in the right category, I take off 1 point. This time, I am not going to ask for the sheet to be turned in unless you have put something down on a couple that are mistakes. Then instead of peeling it off and trying to stick it into the right category, just write down the category that it goes into. So again, you have your sheet that you've already taken and you've written the headings of the categories. You've cut out your pieces, as you can see here. You take your pieces, you take a glue stick, you dab a little bit on the back of the picture, and you glue it down. Write down the name, And again, turn it in before you leave today. Thank you.